How to play games on Messenger with friends. In this video, I'll show you how you can play games on Messenger with your friends. Let's get started. First, open Messenger app. Now open the chat or group chats. Open it. Now let's say you wanna play with this person right here. Just tap on this plus icon right here. Now here you will see play games option. Tap on play games. Now once you tap on play games, you will see mini games right here. You can just select the one you want to play. Let me choose this one. Now once you choose it, you'll need to tap on continue. Tap on it. As you can see, your game has been loaded. In this way, you can see you just started a game with a person, or say your friend or messenger. In this way, you can play in Messenger together. And that's it. This is how you can play games on Messenger with your friends directly from the chats. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.